Hey everybody, Kurt Henry here, mortgage broker at the Mortgage Center. We're your go-to mortgage broker in the Durham region, and this is a weekly mortgage market update just to let you know what's going on in the mortgage market. One of the questions we sometimes get is, what is the benefit of doing a second mortgage? So there's a few benefits to a second mortgage. One is, let's just say you have a really good interest rate on your first mortgage and you want to access some equity in your house and raise some cash. Maybe you don't want to touch the interest rate on your first mortgage because it's a good rate. So doing a second mortgage can be an option. Another time that it's maybe beneficial to look at a second mortgage is perhaps the current lender on your first mortgage wouldn't approve you taking money out for whatever reason. Maybe your job has changed, or maybe you're self-employed now, or perhaps there's issues with your credit, or whatever the case might be. It might be a benefit to look at doing a second mortgage versus a first mortgage, so that the first mortgage lender is not, re-adjudicating your file. So the other thing to keep in mind about a second mortgage is you can do second mortgages for as little as $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, and for as much as $1 million or more, depending on the situation. In a perfect world, if you do get a second mortgage, you would try to match up the maturity dates so that the maturity date on the second mortgage is matching up to the maturity date on the first mortgage. And then in a perfect world, in many cases, you'd want to try to bring them into one mortgage, at that time. So there's different strategies to consider, though, if you're looking at second mortgages. And if you have any questions on that, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help.